Hey everyone, this is Jono from Veracity with another video from this video series, specifically the third on generating sample data for testing, really sample XAPI data in an LRS. If you are using our LRS.io product and you signed up for a free account, you might actually get an LRS that has some data in it, but in the event that you need to create an LRS and want to get some sample data to play around with the visualizations and the reporting, this is the video for you. Let's switch over to the LRS interface. And I'm going to start just by creating an LRS. So once you log in, you'll see this create an LRS button, and we'll give it a name. We'll just call this generate data. And I'll do the same thing for the display name. And we're just going to leave the default options on these and click create. And what will happen is this will create and will get sent to the home page of the LRS. So now we're in the generate data LRS. And you can see over here, we've got this red box, no access keys. You can access the same thing over here under management access keys. But an access key is what gives you the ability to send data to the LRS and get data out of it. So to generate some data, we have to create some access keys. So we'll just click on this box. And then we'll click create access key. And I'm going to name it, let's just do default. I'll leave all of these options the same, maybe make the password a bit stronger. And click create. And now you'll see here we have our default access key. At this point, we can just go back to the home page of the LRS again. So if I click generate data home over here on the left-hand side, now you'll see in this little panel where I still don't have any data, I've got this generate statements button. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. And now what's happening is it's just running a simulation behind the scenes. It's creating a bunch of XAPI data, around 2,000 statements. If I actually refresh the page now, we'll kind of see 1,995 in this case. Yours might be a little different than that. And it's data about users going through a Coursera data science curriculum, all sample data. To prove that it's there, you can go over into the XAPI data menu option and click statements, and you'll see we have a bunch of raw data here from our sample users. I'm not going to get into what to do with this data. We have some other videos to show you how to build reports and analytics, and I'll link to some of those in the description. So for now, we'll go ahead and end this video on generating sample data. So thanks for joining us this afternoon, and have a good one.